Hello everybody. How we doing? We're on day 8. Okay. You guys. 500 subscribers. I'm so excited. Thank you for all of you that come to watch and take 1 second to hit that like button. It helps a ton. And to subscribe. I don't care about notifications. I mean, I don't know. I don't really use YouTube on my phone, so I don't know how much of a difference that makes. But I know the subscribing and liking makes a difference. So thank you so much for taking the time to do that. All right, there's an awesome giveaway post. And I think it's titled, What Happened? Something along those lines. Make sure you go hit that up if you haven't. I am going to do a random number generator, or maybe a spin. I'm not sure yet. One or the other. I think I'm going to do it on Tuesday. Maybe I'll do a spin and just record it and then upload it. That would work. Anyway, let's get into this. We're on day 8. Okay, so one set we've got is the Winter Bowmance, and this is this year's Christmas. I just love these sets that I know are going to be sheer where the gold is. So this is like Cookie Swap and Laurel Gardens, Wing Woman, like any of those where when you layer it, you are going to adjust that kind of sheer area, right? Like you won't lose your red, but you're going to adjust the sheer area. Gaelic Greenery, because I think this is just such an understated, beautiful green. And then one single A-lister, which is a super old Christmas set, at least a couple years old. Beautiful. We're using one of them. Okay, so you guys know I love the slants, but here's the problem I have. When you're doing a slant nail, you oftentimes lose whatever the art is down at the bottom, right? So this time it's a bow. So I have taken out A-lister and my bow punch to make my own, and then I have red nail tape, like that. So first I did the Gaelic and then the Bowmance, and then accented it with the red tape to make it pop, and Northern Lights top coat over top. And look at you guys, exhale the bullshit, sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. So this is just another garbage collector I found. And it's got these little teeth on it, so when you put stuff through, you can pull it off and it'll drop in. Now, I'm just experimenting. Oh, and then you pull out this side, right, for your garbage to dump it. I'm just experimenting a little bit with it. I don't know yet if I love it. And I think that the silicone one is still going to be the winner, and here's why. That silicone grabs onto stuff when it's staticky. And that's kind of how things are, right? They static to us. So I'm not sure if I'm going to love this, but I do love that it's bigger. So, you know, some new, but this isn't garbage pants, so that's a little sad. Now we've got just a little garbage. That's not as fun. All right, so let's do this middle nail. Let's rock it out. And thank you guys for leaving all these great ideas of what you'd like to see over the next year. I'm so excited. I've got a zillion ideas going now. Okay, so we're going to stack these up. Pretty even? Yeah. And then we're going to use our... Oops, there's an ad on the Christmas music channel. Our world's best, sharpest scissors. I will tell you guys, 8 days in, you would think that by now I would remember not to take out nails for both hands. I have not pulled that off yet. I still keep taking out nails for both hands, and I'm not doing both hands. Dang it. So, there we go. By the time I catch on will be when I'm back to doing 2 hands, and then every time I will just take out nails for 1 hand and be mad. That's what's gonna happen. Okay, so oh, This is what's down. Aisle 21 Peely remover. Of the 3 Peely removers I've tried, I feel like none of them are that different. I do think the Holo Taco one came off the very easiest, but I don't know that that's necessarily what you want unless you're just swatching something. So I thought aisle 21 was kind of a happy medium that I liked best so far. So there we go. Now you know. And we're going to do this one a V-tip just to make it a little more decorative. And I don't know if I've done a double layer V-tip for you guys before, so I thought that would be fun to do. Okay, so there it is with the green. Sorry, flipping you off there. Now we're gonna do the bow portion. Can you see that sheer? And we're gonna put that up just a bit from it. And so now you can see the green through there, but we're losing the bow part of it, which also, I mean, I'm not totally sad about that, you guys. Also, sorry that video yesterday I went off a lot. That really irritated me. But here we are, back to try again. And I've rearranged my camera down a hair, so hopefully it'll not have that problem this time. Okay, and then Tartar's napping under the Christmas tree. Willow had friends over today and they played video games and had pizza, all that good stuff. Get down there, bugger. I've got a lot hanging over the ends here. And I think I'm not going to run the red tape because I am going to use this little bow. This is a pretty simple set, you guys. And this is just a little mini bow punch. And I'm lining it up back here. Oh, maybe. There we go. For some reason I always need my thumb. There it is, our cute little punched out bow. I keep switching out tweezers trying to find ones that are gonna be like a good replacement for the green ones, and I don't know if I'm there yet. Centered-ish. Yeah. Oh, cute. Okay, so now let me get some good squishing on it. You guys, I have been cuticle oiling like a beast. So dry. I'm gonna keep harping that to you. No matter where you're at, you should be up to your elbows in cuticle oil right now. It is the season. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay, now well, this one was quick and easy. I should have saved a few more nails to do. Sorry about that. Well, it's nice to have a quick, easy one every once in a while, isn't it? I don't think I centered that as well as I thought I did, but that's okay. Alright. We've done it. We've done it again. Day 8. All the bow loving. Hopefully you guys can see that green under there. Here we've got it 2 layered, so it kind of loses some of the green, but it has it peeping out the bottom. Very cute. Okay, and one of the requests was, which I can do, is to remember to stand up and give the close-up. So here we go. Hopefully it's focusing. That is the hard part, is that this screen on my camera is very tiny now, so I can't see as well if it's focusing, but I think it is. Little thumb. Yeah, there you go, guys. See you tomorrow.